really gonna play that?
Thank God it's over. Shit.
You've caused quite a stir, Mrs. Ladomas. You married into that family. Now they're dead. What you didn't know is that this goes far beyond them. By surviving hide and seek, you've triggered a new game. This time against the High Council families. Double or nothing.
This part will be familiar.
They will try to kill you.
Welcome to our home.
Hunters, may the best family win.
Skippy, screens.
The game begins in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm not playing.
Okay. Prunella, kill the sister.
No, God damn it, no.
Whoever wins runs everything.
Everything?
The world.
Can't believe you dragged me into this shit.
It's exciting. Well, exciting for me. It's terrifying for you.
Clear.
All over.